Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. If you're a first time viewer, you're highly welcome, and if you're a returning subscriber, thank you for always coming back. Thank you for your likes, thank you for your comments, thank you for your engagement. I truly appreciate you all. So today I'll be dropping a tutorial video. Yes, I'll be dropping a tutorial video. I'm going to be teaching you something very important, so I hope you guys stay tuned and watch this to the end. Trust me, you're going to learn a lot. I actually charge to teach people this, but today I'm going to be giving it out for free. Yes, for free, you heard right. So just join me as we go through this tutorial till the end. And if you're not yet subscribed to my channel, kindly click the red subscribe button and subscribe, and don't forget to give this video a thumbs up. Don't forget to drop your comments in the comment section. Yes, without further ado, let's go right into the training. So today I'm going to be teaching you how to create a shadow, the shadow concept behind a picture or on a picture. Yes, so we're going to be learning this through Canva as usual. So just click on create a design. Let me use my normal default setting, social media. So this has opened a blank template for me. I'm going to add a picture to it. Let me look for a good picture cutout. I think I like this. Yes, I like what I see. Now, the first thing we're going to do here is to duplicate this picture. So I'm going to duplicate it. I push one aside. Then the next thing I'm going to do is to click adjust, then go to brightness and reduce the brightness. Then I also go to blur and increase the blur. Let's make it 50. Yeah, 50. Okay, so next thing I'm going to do is to slightly increase it just a little bit. Then I fit the original back into it. Then I change the background of my picture to bring out what I need. Yes, so can you see that I've added a shadow to the main picture? I can change to different backgrounds to see the background that brings it out more. Yes, so this is as easy as it can be. So once you're through with your creation or with your design, just click this, either the share button or the download button, and it drops right into your gallery. Download. If you enjoyed this video and found it informative, kindly leave a comment for me in the comment section, and don't forget to give us a thumbs up. And if you're yet to subscribe to my channel, kindly click the red subscribe button and also turn on the notification bell so you get notified anytime I upload a new video. Bye.